Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix kayak dates not showing. So to resolve this problem, you can start by toggling the date selection mode. Just head to your Kayak app, then tap on the date section in your search bar. Then look for the tabs at the top of the date calendar, for example, exact, flexible, weekend. Then switch to flexible or vice versa, then switch back. This forces the calendar and date numbers to reload. Now the next what you can do is force close and restart the app. You see, when you open a Kayak app and you find some kind of issue going on with your app, you can just simply swipe it up from the bottom of your screen, then swipe it up again to completely close it from your multitasking screen, and then reopen it again. Now, the next what you can do is check for the app updates, because sometimes older versions of travel apps loses compatibility with live date databases. So what you can do is just go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, then find Kayak. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.